Back in 2010, our university merged the 4 former preclinical departments, namely anatomy, biochemistry, pharmacology, and physiology, and established the School of Biomedical Sciences. Its mission is to nurture physicians, healthcare workers, and scientific investigators. Our goal is to train leaders in the biomedical sciences to meet the increasing market demands of Hong Kong and the world.
Speaking of the excellence in research, the school has seen a steady increase in the number of publications in high-impact journals and external competitive grants since its establishment.
Different from traditional preclinical schools, our school adopts a research theme-based approach in the hope of facilitating translational and multidisciplinary research to enhance our overall research competitiveness.
These programs uncover many possible solutions to those diseases that we once thought they were incurable. Our researchers are enabling us to harness the power of genetic technology, stem cell, and many other treatment approaches.
Our researchers can access many top-notch equipment such as flow cytometer, next-generation sequencer, proteomic mass specs, confocal microscope, scanning electron microscopes, transmission electron microscope, small animal imaging instruments. The core laboratory greatly enhance our research strength and competitiveness.
Our animal holding core, comprising of mammalian and aquatic zones, has been providing the highest standard of animal care for supporting research projects undertaken by our principal investigators, their collaborators, and our students.
It is an invaluable experience working with clinical investigators from various hospitals. Our collaborative effort enhances bench-to-bedside translation research using patient specimens so that our research will have direct clinical relevance and impact on patients.
The school supports young investigators like us with a one-on-one mentor-mentee program offered by the faculty. We have a harmonious research environment, a supportive startup package for research, and even discount rates for renting the core laboratory facilities.
With our strong partnership with Biomedical company, we could translate our research findings to develop new diagnosis and treatment to benefit patients directly.
The school has been providing enormous amount of resources and manpower to enhance and consolidate service teachings for medical and non-medical undergraduate students since our establishment.
In order to introduce students with basic knowledge of medical and clinical sciences, we have been providing courses to pharmacy, Chinese medicine, biomedical engineering students, as well as general education courses to students of other faculties.
Our team in the Division of Education continues to seek ways to improve the pedagogical approaches we use in our school. For the past 10 years, we have explored many innovative projects, from flipped classrooms and coding to AR and VR.
In 2016, we launched our first undergraduate program, the Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Sciences, of which the curriculum was designed around biomedical research, strategic management and entrepreneurship, ad-hoc services and consultation. We train leaders of tomorrow who are innovative in offering solutions for health-related demands and yet to be cured diseases.
Thanks to the Summer Undergraduate Biomedical Research Attachment Program and the internship program with industrial partners, we are able to gain a lot of hands-on experience before going into the job market.
The input from the Advisory Board of Students and Career Development were extremely helpful. The board is composed of leaders from the industry, health service, and the legal field, as well as the government. We are very grateful for their constructive ideas and comments.
The aim of our postgraduate program is to train students to become top scientists with critical thinking and advanced research skills. Our program also provides students with a very international environment through overseas exchange and conference activities.
The education at SBS enabled me to step up to my postdoc training in the United States. As a board-certified geneticist by the American Board of Medical Genetics and Genomics, I was inspired by my training at SBS on the genetic research during my study.
After graduation, I'm so glad to continue as postdoc in Professor Stephen Choi's laboratory and join the startup company researching in genetic testing products related to fitness and hereditary disease risk. Studying in CUHK gave me the vision to improve people's quality of life by understanding their own DNA.
While striving to be a world-renowned research institute, we partner with many international institutes, develop joint laboratories with many other institutions, and established joint student training program. All these partnerships give our students access to resources around the world.
It's been a very exciting and fruitful 10 years for all of us in the School of Biomedical Sciences. We will continuously strive for excellence in research and education by widening our academic networks. We spare no effort to equip our students with knowledge on advanced technology and latest biomedical sciences development, and develop their career as highly qualified scientists in Hong Kong and worldwide.